Upon logging in with the doctor's credentials, you land on the dashboard with all the patients you are currently treating. You have access to the help function, the archive of your messaging activity with your patients, the calendar and the reminder menu. An appointment management system is also available, as well as a page with data analytics where you can see aggregated results for all your patients. Once a new patient is diagnosed with MS and they decide that they want to share their data with you, adding them to the system is an easy task. For each patient, you can see a summary of their file, including time since the initial diagnosis and from the last relapse, which medication they are on and which other medical conditions they have been diagnosed with. Once you click the Details button, the entire patient's file is displayed. The patient file contains detailed test results for each of the performed tests. The tests are grouped according to the 8 functional systems, which are evaluated as part of the Expanded Disability Status Scale. The test results are intended to give a richer picture about the disease progression and to improve the identification of a relapse. In case more data samples are required for a certain test, you can send a notification to the patient and this will be displayed in their app. A sample dashboard for the bowel or bladder test results looks like this. For each of the last months, you have an overview of the amount of test samples and the values of the test results. If you want to see even more details on the test results in a certain month, you can see how they are spread according to the time of the day when the test was taken, or if they can be correlated with certain events in the daily life of the patient, such as physical activity, stress, medication intake, diet and others. Finally, another feature of the MindSeye Doctors platform is the patient's medication dosage dashboard. This supports you with the drug prescription and the patient compliance. For any of the prescribed drugs which are tracked through the system, you can see the drug intake per month, giving you an idea whether the patient has complied with the prescribed dosage. The system also displays the occurrence of on-time intake for those drugs that need to be taken at defined time intervals. The drug intake can be correlated with the test results in order to identify positive or negative effects of a given drug or a combination of drugs over the test's outputs.